Welcome to the Daily Digestion channel. Today's topic is juice your greens and eat your fruits. Okay guys, so today's recipe is a V8 recipe, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Check out what we have. Cilantro and parsley. There's pretty much like, a pretty good size to my hand. That's like, 2 good bundles. And then we have some carrots. We have 5 carrots, and then 2 cucumbers and 1 tomato. Now, we're gonna juice all this up, see how it tastes, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, and we're also gonna add a lemon and a handful of ginger. Okay, so today's topic, juice your greens and eat your fruit. Okay, we all know that in order to stay on a raw food diet, you have to eat a lot of greens to really get all of your nutrients that you need. And for some people, that's hard to do. And you can actually have the best of both worlds. You can eat a lot of raw food and then incorporate a little bit of cooked foods in later if you juice your greens and you eat your fruit. So typically what I like to do is I like to start my day out with a really super great green juice. I mean, look at all of these greens. That's a large salad like that a man would have to eat. I can't even eat that much in one setting. Well, I mean, I probably could if I chopped it up really, really fine, but it would be very filling, and I would not want to eat 2 of these a day. But this way, if you juice this much and then you eat a green salad later, you're not having to eat all of those greens, and your body is not having to work so hard with all of that fiber, because fiber is hard to digest. It is, but it isn't. If you do a lot of it, it kind of taxes your system out after a while, and you can get backed up. So that's why I do the green juices, and I learned this when I had my bicycle wreck, and I just couldn't eat that massive amount of food anymore, and I realized then what it was really doing to my system. And so that's why I do it this way. So let's go ahead and get into this juice, and then we'll taste it and see how it tastes. Guys, this is going to taste just like a V8 recipe, because you've got your greens and you've got your tomatoes, and it's just going to be really delicious. And when you juice some greens, you really want to try to incorporate about 1/4 of your recipe in greens. And you will be surprised at how delicious it will taste if you will just add a little bit of lemon and parsley. You can add a whole lemon, or you can add a half. I usually add a whole, just because a whole lemon is just really good. Like, the more lemons that you incorporate into your body, the better. I've already had the juice of 1 lemon earlier in my black stripe molasses drink this morning, and with some cayenne, and it was delicious. The cayenne and the lemon, you put that in anything, something spicy and something sour, it just gives it like the best kick ever. Okay, now we just juiced all of our greens. I'm going to show you how much that made of? That's about a half of a cup to a 3/4 of a cup. So let's do our carrots. Okay, this is really good. It made a great juice. It tastes just like V8. It tastes really good. And so, yeah, try this recipe. It's delicious.